In this video, I will tell you how you can remove background of any image within seconds with just one click. So let's get this started. Here is the website which I'll be using. The website is remove.bg. Just search for remove.bg and this website will appear. So what you have to do is, let me show you, upload an image. Click on upload image and go to downloads. Here I have this pic downloaded. Just upload it and within seconds it will give you a very accurate and clear result. See that this was the original image, and this is what this app will give you. So just click on the download and the image is downloaded here. See, that's really easy, really simple. Within seconds, in just one click, you just downloaded the picture and the background is removed. You just remove the background in seconds. So hope you like this video. See you soon.